How to deny Facebook access to photos. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. Now there are two ways you can do it. You can either go via Facebook, but in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can deny access to photos to Facebook. So for that, you have to locate your settings application. Open up your settings, scroll all the way below, you will see apps. Tap onto apps and here you will see all the applications that you have installed in your device. Here we have to search for Facebook, so tap on search bar icon, type in Facebook, then enter. Then tap onto your specific Facebook application. Here you will see permissions. Tap onto it and under allowed you will see photos and videos. Tap onto it, then tap on don't allow. So you just denied photos and videos permission to Facebook. And just like so guys, if you would like to do the same for notifications, you may go ahead, tap on notification, then tap on silent or don't allow. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.